the sugar and the cheese and the vanilla in, you can go ahead and start mixing it. That way you can just add the eggs in one at a time is what you want to do. So once it starts beating the ingredients together, just go ahead and crack your eggs and add them in one at a time so that it doesn't get so much liquid all at once. Just like after you put one in, just let it mix up until you can't see the egg anymore, and just add the next one in. After you've put all 3 eggs in, you can go ahead and turn the mixer up a little bit higher and just let it mix for a bit until all the ingredients look like they're thoroughly mixed in. It doesn't look really lumpy or anything. You want to make sure the cheese is all mixed in. So if you have lumps of it in your cheesecake, you'll taste actually spots that are a little less sweet than others. So you just want to make sure it's thoroughly mixed, and also until it's the right consistency. You want to make sure that the cheesecake filling is the right consistency, because if it's too thin, it will take a lot longer to cook. So you want to make sure it gets till it's like peaking in the bowl, so when you just stick a fork in, it makes peaks like you would when you're making a meringue.